I've always wanted to make some sort of garden art out of metal, and while I was at a flea market, I spied these license plates and knew I could do something with them. I wanted to make a flower, so I laid the license plate on a piece of white paper and cut it to size. Then I folded the paper in half and cut out half of a petal for my pattern. I opened up my petal pattern and laid it on the back of the license plate and traced around it with a Sharpie. Using a tin snip, I cut it out. I made 5 petals in all. I wanted the petals to be bent, so I turned up the edges with the pliers. I also used a small paint can and rolled the plate along the can's edge to bend it. For the center of the flower, I cut a plate in half, and then I cut out a circle. I made cuts into the center of the circle and bent the cuts upward. The tricky part was how to attach the pieces together without a soldering tool. I drilled a hole in the center of the centerpiece and then drilled holes in the ends of each of the petals. I placed a bolt through each of the holes and then using an electrical box cover, I drilled a hole in the center of that and 1 hole on each side of the center hole. I placed the bolt through the center hole and secured everything together with a nut. I threaded a cable tie through the 2 side holes in the box cover and then placed the plant stake around the bolt and secured it with the cable ties. I do love how it turned out, and I was proud of myself for figuring out how to attach the pieces together without using a soldering tool. I hope this inspires you to make something that you never thought you could make.